Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to capture leads with Intercom in 2026. First, log in to your Intercom account. Lead capture starts with your Messenger. Go to Settings, then Messenger, and enable it on your website. To capture emails automatically, go to Settings, Messenger, then Channels. Enable the option to collect email addresses before the chat starts. Next, use custom bots to qualify leads. Go to Settings, Automated Messages, and click New Message. Choose Custom Bot. Create a bot that asks visitors for their name, email, and what they're interested in. Route qualified leads to your sales team or add them to a list. You can also create lead capture forms. Go to Outbound, then Posts. Click New Post and choose Lead Generation. Add fields like name, email, and company size, then place the form on your website. Once captured, leads appear in your contacts list automatically. Add tags, assign to sales, or enroll them in an email series, and that's it. Now you know how to capture leads with Intercom. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.